Get out of my face.
All right, so today we are going to take our Traxxas Xmaxx and turn it into a snow bashing machine. To do that, we've got to take these crazy, dang, regular stock tires and turn them into paddle tires. I know, crazy, huh? What? And then we may do a little sledding.
Ooh, yay, sledding's fun.
All right, coming up. Okay, maybe we'll work on that. Okay. Cut. Oh, yeah.
Boom, you got.
There you go. Go around a little bit. Almost. Yeah, all right.
Oh no. I'm sorry. Oh, are you okay? Okay, hold on. Okay, go ahead, have a seat. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
You ready?
For fun?
Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay? Okay, hold on.
Look, I'm coming too. See, I'm coming.
Get up. Okay, so she didn't like that.
How about I try?
You can try it. Hey, you want to go stand on the steps, baby?
Don't go really fast.
Yeah, right. Oh no! What do you have to say about this?
That was fun.
Okay, let's see if we can fix this. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, well, it looks like we're gonna need a stronger rope, I think. Yeah, yeah, that's true. Yeah, I just found that rope. It was actually on the sled when I found it on the side of the road. So, maybe we need a new one.
Maybe we need to go to the store and buy this rope for no reason.
Yeah, you're right.
Maybe we should buy two just in case.
Maybe. Let me go through fast. No! Uh-oh. Oh, we lost. All right, oh man. We lost the pinion. So it's completely off. Oh, here's Andrew. Uh-oh. All right, so the pinion fell off. I guess we can fix that, and we'll try again another time with a stronger rope, right?
Yep.
All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Wait, you can say this.
We'll see you in the next video.
Oh, right. Hey. Okay. Oh, well, it's facing the wrong way. I'm recording you, recording me. Man, that's very disappointing. Piece of junk? Yeah, you're right. Maybe it is.
It's a piece of junk.
You piece of junk. You piece of junk.
You threw that.
Ah! Get out of my face. You can stay outside for the night. Come on, girls. Let's go. Come on, let's go inside. Yeah.
Are you gonna grab your truck?
No, it's in trouble. Staying outside for the night. It's gonna learn a lesson.
Yeah, I'll take your truck.
Oh no. Tell people what you made.
I made a donut made out
Cheeseburger donut. New invention. Boom.